For thousands of years, human biology was synchronized with the natural rise and fall of the sun. But in just a few decades, that ancient cycle has been replaced by the continuous artificial illumination of LED technology. Modern screen habits are frequently linked to visual fatigue and cognitive overload. However, a more insidious pathology is now emerging in the dermatological field: the widespread thinning of hair through digital stress. This thinning is the result of a coordinated attack on the scalp, driven by a synergy between retinal light bombardment and systemic hormonal dysregulation. The digital glow we inhabit is not merely a visual medium. It is a bioactive force that starves the scalp and forces hair into a premature resting phase. The first stage of the assault is physical. Digital devices emit high-energy visible, or HEV, blue light, which consists of short, high-energy wavelengths ranging from 380 to 500 nanometers. Unlike ultraviolet radiation, which is mostly absorbed by the skin's surface, HEV light possesses the capacity to penetrate deep into the dermal layers where the hair follicle bulbs reside. This diagram shows the difference in penetration. While UV rays stop at the epidermis, specific digital wavelengths, like 457 nanometers, reach the mid to deep dermis, striking the dermal papilla and the stem cells responsible for hair growth. Recent research has shown that this exposure reduces cell viability in an intensity-dependent manner. The light triggers the overproduction of reactive oxygen species, creating a toxic environment that halts cell proliferation. Ultimately, these photons act as a direct structural assault, physically impeding the fundamental growth processes of the scalp. The second stage is hormonal, involving the circadian dermal nexus. The human eye communicates directly with the brain to regulate a 24-hour internal clock, guided by the presence or absence of light. A key part of this clock is melatonin. While it is best known for regulating sleep, melatonin is also a critical intracellular antioxidant that helps trigger the hair's anagen, or growth phase. Looking at these hormonal oscillations, we can see the impact of screen use. Blue light exposure in the evening provides a daytime signal to the brain, which suppresses melatonin production for twice as long as other types of light. When the nocturnal melatonin peak is blocked, the hair follicle is deprived of the signal it needs to repair daytime oxidative damage. This results in circadian aging, where the biological clock of the scalp becomes desynchronized from its environment, forcing healthy follicles into an early shedding phase. The final stage of this assault is psychological. The constant notifications and the dopamine burnout of modern screen habits keep the nervous system in a state of high alert. This state of chronic digital overstimulation leads to elevated levels of systemic cortisol, a hormone that plays a direct role in disrupting the hair cycle. This chart shows the physiological shift. While 85% of hair should be in the growth phase, chronic cortisol spikes can shock those follicles into a premature state of rest, known as telogen effluvium. This chemical stress is compounded by the mechanical restriction of tech neck. Leaning toward a screen restricts blood flow to the scalp, reducing the delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients. Because digital stress is persistent, the body is never allowed to reset. This prevents follicles from ever re-entering a stable growth phase, leading to uniform, diffuse thinning across the scalp. We must distinguish this from genetic hair loss. On the left, androgenetic alopecia follows a specific pattern, shrinking follicles due to DHT sensitivity. On the right, digital aging is characterized by uniform thinning across the entire scalp. In digital-induced thinning, follicles undergo miniaturization due to mitochondrial exhaustion and the breakdown of the structural matrix. As these follicles shrink, they produce increasingly fine, pigmentless peach fuzz instead of strong terminal hairs. While genetic loss is driven by a hardwired chemical command, digital thinning is a form of environmental aging, where the biological engine of the hair simply runs out energy. Counteracting these effects requires a recovery protocol that targets light physics, hormones, and scalp circulation. The first pillar is smart spectral tuning. To protect the dermal papilla, the specific 450 to 470 nanometer blue light spike must be eliminated from all digital devices during evening hours. Behavioral changes are equally critical. Implementing a screen-free scalp hour, at least 60 minutes before sleep, allows cortisol levels to clear and the natural melatonin-dependent repair phase to begin. Advanced recovery protocols also utilize biotech-driven topicals. Molecules like 2-MNG and nano-encapsulated resveratrol are now used to neutralize HEV-induced oxidative damage and reawaken the scalp's innate repair mechanisms. As technology becomes more interwoven into our lives, preserving hair density requires a deliberate synchronization of our digital habits with our ancient biological rhythms.